Hey there, fellow gamers. Ever dreamt of turning your passion for games into a thriving business? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of starting your very own game store. Ever wondered how to embark on this adventure? Stick around as we guide you through the steps to launch a game store business in the United States. Let's go! Step 1: Business Overview. First up, let's understand what starting a game store is all about. It's not just about selling video games, it's a haven for all things gaming. From consoles and accessories to board games, trading cards, and even gaming-related merch, your store could be a one-stop shop for every type of gamer. Now, the game plan here is not just to compete with big names, but to create a community. The loyalty in the gaming world is real, my friends. Your competitive edge will be the community you build around playing games. So, keep that strategy in mind. Step 2: Industry Summary. The gaming industry has skyrocketed over the past decade. While digital sales are on the rise, physical stores still have a significant role, especially in serving enthusiast communities and hosting events. And hey, don't be fooled by the big franchises, many successful game stores are independently owned. According to IBIS World, the video game industry has seen a 3.9% annual growth, reaching $106.8 billion in sales. And the forecast for 2023? A whopping 9.4% increase. The industry is like a power-up waiting for you to grab it. Step 3: Industry Trends. Now, let's talk trends, the heartbeat of any business. Esports is on fire, driving demand for gaming hardware and merchandise. Hosting esports tournaments or viewing parties. And with VR becoming more accessible, offering VR gaming sessions could be the next level for your store. But wait, there's more. Board games are making a comeback. People crave tangible, social gaming experiences. So, why not cater to that by offering a variety of board games and hosting game nights? Personalized experiences, e-commerce integration, these are the keys to unlocking success in this dynamic industry. Step 4: Target Market. Now, who's your main player in this game? Your target market is diverse, from gamers of all ages and genders to video game enthusiasts, families, competitive gamers, and even tech-savvy individuals. Conduct some market research to tailor your offerings to the specific demographics of your local area. It's like leveling up with a customized skill set. Step 5: Conduct market research. Before diving into the gaming realm, conduct thorough market research. Survey potential customers, dive into online forums, tap into social media, and check out Google Trends. Attend local meetups, study the competition, and analyze the market to ensure there's enough demand to make your game store a hit. Identify gaming market, learn everything there is to know about the popular game genres, upcoming platforms, and current trends in the gaming industry. Seek out data and studies that shed light on the expansion of the gaming industry and its anticipated future. Examine your target audience, find out who your possible clients are, whether they are competitive or recreational gamers, kids or adults. Examine their choices for games, how they play them, and what they buy. This will enable you to better cater your offerings to their demands. Analyze local market, find out what the local market is like. Determine the local gaming community's tastes, the existence of competitors, and the demand for game retailers. Go to the current gaming retailers, talk to players, and take note of their inclinations and purchasing habits. Examine rivals, find out about and examine the gaming retailers that are present in your intended market. Determine their product offers, customer service, pricing methods, and strengths and shortcomings. You'll be able to spot areas for improvement and differentiation with the aid of this analysis. Remember, your goal here is to understand what your local gamers want and need. It's like finding the perfect strategy to defeat a challenging boss. Meticulous planning is key. Step 6: Create a business plan. Now that you've gathered your intel, it's time to craft your game plan. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. Investors and lenders will want to see that you've thought through every level of your store. Dive deep into market analysis, competitive analysis, marketing, and financial projections. Show them you've got the cheat codes to win. Step 7. Search for a location. Location, location, location. It's not just a mantra for real estate. Choosing the right spot for your game store is crucial. High-traffic areas like malls or near universities could be your power-up zones, but they come with a price tag. Check out the size, parking, competition, and zoning of the location. No one wants to deal with unexpected obstacles in their game. And a pro tip: don't commit to a lease or purchase until you've secured funding. Premature commitments can lead to a game-over scenario if the funding doesn't roll in as planned. Step 8. Secure funding. Now, let's talk about gold coins, the money you need to start your game store. Personal savings, contributions from family and friends, those are your starter packs. Traditional bank loans are like power-ups with competitive interest rates, but they might need a strong credit history. And then there are the angel investors, the high-net-worth individuals who might see the potential in your game store venture. Choose your funding wisely. It's like selecting the perfect character for a challenging quest. Step 9. Register the business. With funding secured, it's time to make your business legit. Choose a business structure. Is it a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation? Each has its perks and challenges. Register your business name, get the necessary licenses and permits, and make sure your location is zoned for your kind of business. It's like setting up your character with the right gear for a quest. And hey, think about your online presence. Check if your business name is available as a domain. You don't want another player stealing your thunder in the digital realm. Step 10. Acquire the location and start setting up. Congrats, you've got the keys to your gaming kingdom. Now, plan out the layout of your store. Create an environment that's not just shelves of games, but an experience. Consider renovations, set up inventory management, and install the necessary technology: your POS system, security systems, and gaming stations. It's like setting up the perfect gaming station for your customers. And remember, your store should not just sell games, it should offer a unique, engaging gaming experience. You want your customers to walk in and feel like they've entered a new level of gaming paradise. Step 11. Source inventory. Time to stock up on treasures. Establish relationships with suppliers, connect directly with game publishers, or consider wholesale distributors. Attend industry trade shows, join retail cooperatives, and negotiate those terms wisely. Keep an eye on the gaming market trends, and don't just sell products, build alliances in the gaming industry. Remember, the right inventory is like having the right weapons and armor. It sets you up for success in the gaming arena. Step 12. Create a marketing plan. Now, let's shout it from the mountaintops, or, social media. Your game store needs marketing. Utilize the power of social media, engage influencers, and host events. Collaborate with local communities, offer loyalty programs, and get creative with your promotions. It's like crafting the perfect strategy to win over your target audience. And hey, traditional marketing is not obsolete. Local radio, print media, and outdoor signage can still attract attention, especially in your local gaming community. Step 13. Hire and train employees. You can't do it alone, you need a team. But hiring employees comes with responsibilities. Get an employer identification number, EIN, insure workers' compensation insurance, maintain accurate employment records, comply with labor laws, and display those notices in your workplace. Your employees are your party members, each contributing unique skills to your quest. Train them not just on the products, but on customer service. A knowledgeable and friendly team can turn a one-time customer into a loyal supporter. Also, consider their passion for gaming. Enthusiastic employees who share the same love for games as your customers can create a magnetic atmosphere, drawing people back to your store like a respawn point. Step 14. Grand opening. The grand opening is your boss battle. Make it epic. Plan it like you would a major in-game event. Use social media teasers, collaborate with local influencers, and consider special promotions for the first wave of customers. A grand opening isn't just about sales, it's about creating a buzz that will echo through the gaming community. Consider hosting tournaments, giveaways, and exclusive discounts for the launch. Make sure your store is visually appealing and the atmosphere is electric. You want your grand opening to be the talk of the town, drawing in a crowd that will keep coming back for more. Step 15. Community engagement. Your game store is more than a place to buy and sell, it's a hub for a gaming community. Engage with your customers beyond transactions. Host regular gaming nights, tournaments, and events. Create a space where gamers feel welcome and connected. It's like leveling up from a store to a gaming sanctuary. Encourage user-generated content. Share your customers' gaming experiences on social media and let them know their stories matter. The more involved your community feels, the stronger the bond with your store. Step 16. Adapt and innovate. In the gaming world, updates and patches keep things fresh. Apply the same principle to your business. Stay updated on gaming trends, customer preferences, and industry advancements. Innovate your offerings, and don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's new game releases, exclusive events, or unique promotions, keep evolving to stay ahead in the game. Attend industry conferences, seek feedback from your customers, and be open to change. The gaming world moves fast, and so should your store. Conclusion. And there you have it, future game store owners. Starting your own game store is like embarking on an epic quest. It requires strategy, planning, and a passion for gaming. From choosing your location to building a community, every step is crucial in this adventure. So, are you ready to hit start on your game store journey? Remember, it's not just about selling games, it's about creating an experience for your customers. Stay engaged, stay passionate, and your game store might just become the go-to destination for gamers in your community. Now, what makes Taylor Brands stand out? To start, they're backed by a team of professionals, as I've already mentioned. There are over 500,000 businesses that have been launched with Taylor Brands already. So that means that the team behind it are experts who are getting things right when it comes to helping us citizens set up and launch our businesses. Secondly, their premium support. This is what I personally like about Taylor Brands. The fact that you can access priority support from the company whenever you need help with an issue really gets me. As a user, you have full access to a 24/7 priority support team, and better yet, they will readily guide you every step of the way and assist you with any issues you may have. Let me just confirm that you can contact the support team via chat and email. Both of these options are open and responses are very swift. And, lastly, their swift LLC formation service. Taylor Brands allow you to, and let me just use their own words here, form your LLC like a pro in 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and very hassle-free. So should you use Taylor Brands? So personally, I feel Taylor Brands is an excellent solution for forming an LLC for your business. It is super fast and very simple to use, and if nothing else, the fact that you can also access many other complementary services, such as logo, design, website, building domain registrar, and even business cards, puts the company very high up there on my list, and the prices are also very reasonable for the services they provide and, in my opinion, are definitely worth the time that you'll be saving. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well, and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.